Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a logo to your IONOS website using WordPress. Now the first thing I want you to do here in IONOS, I want you to come and click on websites and shops and just go ahead and choose the domain that you want to do this with. So I'll click here on more details, and on this specific website I want you to click on open WordPress. Now here in the home page you should get this option that says add logo. So tap here on add logo, and then it will open up your site editor, right? And then I want you to click here on get started. And for the logo itself, what I need you to do is click here on site logo, right? And now we can choose logo. So click here, and then you can either open the media library or upload. So click on upload. This will open up your file explorer, and you should just go ahead and choose your logo. So our logo is right about here. So you just choose it, click on open, and it will begin uploading. As you can see right here, the logo has been uploaded on a sample page. Just make sure you save this. Okay, so these changes will affect the whole site for the icon and the logo. You can just save this, and now the site has been updated. You can click here on view site and see what it looks like. And there we go. We have the logo. Really that easy. And that is how to add logo to your website in IONOS using WordPress.